The easiest way to add click to turn on sound button to your videos in ClickFunnels. Hey there, I am Prathamesh Sakhadev and welcome to Tech Made Easy. And let's start with today's video. So in this video, what we are going to see, if you come to trafficsecrets.com page, you will see that on this video, there is one button, click to turn on sound. Now, to add this button, you need to purchase a paid plugin, a paid code. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So first of all, let's see the characteristics of this button. First of all, it's on the top left side. It's animating. And if you click on this button, basically the sound gets turned on and the video starts from the beginning. So let's see how to do that now. So this is the blank page that I have created and I have added one video into it. Now one disclaimer, this code will work only if you are adding a Vimeo video and the code doesn't work for other videos as of now. So you need to host your video on Vimeo and then add the link here. So let me go to the settings of this. Let's change video type to Vimeo. Now we need a Vimeo URL. So I have a ClickFunnels video here on Vimeo. Let me just grab that link and paste it here. So I got my Vimeo URL. The one thing you need to do, because the video is auto playing, you need to turn this on. If you go to Traffic Secrets, you will see that when the page loads for the first time, the video starts automatically. Now the browser requirements are such that if the video is auto playing, it automatically mutes the sound. That's why we need to add such kind of a button to it. So this part is over. We have added one Vimeo video. Now let's just save it and let's preview it. Let's see if the video is added on the page. Yeah, as you can see, the video is here. Now it's time to add that button. So we are going to do this in 3 steps. So first of all, if you go to trafficsecrets.com, this button is actually an image. So we need to have an image. Now, what I need to do, first of all, let's add one element here. Let's select image. Now there is a specific purpose why I am adding the image here, and you will come to know very soon why I am adding image here. So in images, you can see I already have this image with me. So I'll select this image and I will click add image. All right. Now again, I will click save and let me just refresh the preview again. Okay, now I have got this image. Why we added this image? Because I want to get the URL of this image, the link of this image. So what you need to do, right click on this image and click copy image address and paste it somewhere in the document. So let me just, let's see image URL, and this is the image URL. All right, now I can delete this image. It's no longer required. I got what I wanted. So first thing, go to settings and custom CSS. Now what I will do, instead of writing all this code, I'll just copy paste it. And if you are a techie, you can understand this code. Otherwise, I'll just show you where you can make certain changes. Otherwise you can keep it as it is. Okay, so I copied it and let me paste it here. The one change you need to do is, in background there is one URL. So what you need to do, you need to copy all this URL. Not copy, basically select this URL, delete it, and whatever URL you have just copied from that image, paste it here. All right, so this part is done. We have added some CSS code. Now let's see what happens. Let me just save this and let me refresh. As you can see, we have added a button on this video. It's also animating. Few changes you can do to your CSS. It's not required, but if you want to do, you can. For example, you can change the left position. So right now it's 20 pixels. So this distance is 20 pixels, and from top it is 20 pixel again. So you can change this distance as well if you want to. Otherwise, not required. All right. Then the other part you can change is the WebKit transition duration. 1 second, 1 second. You can make it half second, 0.5 second, 2 second if it is required. Otherwise, I will suggest leave these settings as is. Now, if you go to traffic secrets, this button is not just animating. If I click on this button, the video is starting from the beginning with audio. Now, let's do that part. For that, we need to go to settings and go to tracking code. And there is certain header code we need to add. So if I go to my code, I need to copy this Vimeo script, just the header part of it, paste it here. Then again go to my code. Let me grab this footer code and let me go to footer code, paste it here, and let me close it. Let's save. And if I now refresh the page, the video is starting without any audio. But now if I click this button, see, the video restarted and you can see that the sound is fully turned on. So this is how you can add click to turn on sound button on your any video in ClickFunnels pages, as long as it's a Vimeo video. Basically, the reason why we added this script, if we go to tracking code and the header code, basically this, with using this script, we can control the playback of that video. And after clicking this button, you can see it's no longer there. And same behavior happens on trafficsecrets.com. Let's say if I click this button, it disappears. So we have copied the exact behavior of this button on our landing page. Additionally, you can change the image that we have used. Now you can download this image. It's there in the YouTube videos description. You can download it from there. I created it using Canva. You can create your own image as well and use it. So this is how easy it is to add this button on your videos. So if you like this video and if you would like to know more such tips, do join our Facebook group. The link is in the description, and do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notification. Signing off, Prathamesh from TechMadeEasy. See you next time.